Oh no, this is bad. I'm too young to die. I'm too worried to die. It's been nice knowing you, buddy. Oh, phew. I thought we were in real trouble there for a second. You scared us, you cute little guy. Boop. I should have booped his cute little nose.
Don't call me cute.
The boop was too much.
This is my city. You are on my turf.
How can someone so cute be so violent?
I said don't call me cute. I'm a weapon of mass destruction.
Come on, buddy. This is gonna be a stealth mission.
Don't tell me you're scared. There's nothing safer than a dark alley.
Ah!
Just a lovable little dolly. Okay, that's a little creepy.
Dead end. This is bad. It's been nice knowing you, buddy. You scared us, you cute little guy. Boop.
Don't call me cute.
Oh, got it.
My name is Mr. Fang. I was cursed with these big, adorable eyes and this fuzzy little body. Why are you here?
I need your help to take back the park.
This park has everything we need.
But the mayor wants to destroy everything.
I got bigger plans than trees.
An amusement park! They're gonna destroy the park.
That's not good.
Don't you see? We're all animals, and we need to look out for each other.
We are in this together.
If we want to stop the mayor and his goons,
It's squirrel season.
It's gonna take everyone.
What should we do?
Try to not get killed.
I'll try. But I can't make any promises.
individually we might be tiny, but together we're giants.
Roll over. I said roll over.
What are you doing? Roll over.
I don't know how. I'm not classically trained.
Go get 'em, boys!
I'm a weapon of mass destruction.
Drink up!
Mangy little rodents think they can stop me? This is gonna be fun.
Meet my new friend, Mr. Fang.
He's so cute!
That reminds me, don't call him cute.